Smile.
Hi everyone. I mentioned on one of the posts that I did about enlarging photographs that we might have so we can trace them onto larger canvases than the 6x6 that we'd been working on. This is the reference photograph that I had for the daisy that we did live on last Friday, and I wanted to make it larger because I wanted to do it on a 12x12 canvas. This one, in fact, so you can see it's much larger than this one. Now, I think for people that have got Microsoft, this isn't such a problem because there's a program or app that you can have called, careful, Raster Beta. I believe that's right. And it enlarges your pictures, prints them out for you, and that's it. For people that have Macs like myself, it's not so easy. So the way that I do it is by using Excel. It comes, I'm sure most everyone that's got a Mac has got Excel. It comes with a Microsoft package with Word and what have you. And in my house it didn't used to get used very much, Excel. But since I've learned how to do this, I think you'll like it. It's really, really easy. And I'll just go through the steps. But it's, you know, this is a video. If you get lost, just go back, pause it a bit, find what you're doing. So let's have a look then and see. Let's shrink me down to there. Right, so we've gone to Excel and we've opened up a workbook. That's the first option that it gives you, workbook create, and this page comes up. So if you just click on the first cell, A1, in there, just click on it so the cell's highlighted in blue, then go to insert, photo, from file. Mine is in downloads. Yours could be in pictures, documents, wherever. This particular one I have is in downloads. So click on your, in my case, the Daisy reference JPEG. Yours could be any picture at all. This is just what we're using today. And then click on insert. And there you have it. If you haven't clicked on A1, the cell A and 1, top left-hand corner, it puts it in weird places. So just try and remember to click on A1 first before you go to insert. Now then, how do you know how big it is? Well, you can go to there and just drag it, and you'll see that it comes up with the width. Mine's in inches. I'm old, I work in inches, but you can set it for centimetres. So it tells you width 5.35 inches, height 6.02. Now that was great for the 6-inch canvas that we were doing on the last live, but I wanted to do a bigger canvas. I wanted to do this, which is 12x12. So I needed to drag my image out a fair bit. And so just click on the, wait till you get this double arrow thingy. I'm sure you know all this. Just click on your mouse, hold it and drag it, and you will see that the measurements here. Now if I want it 12x12, I just keep going till the longest measurement is 12, and then you know that the other one will fit in. So I'm up to now 12 exactly. So that's fine. The other way of doing it is up here on the extreme right of Excel, on the top, as long as you're in format picture, which you will be, it's got the measurements here, and you can just double click on that, or swipe it like that, put your measurement in and it'll resize it, as long as you have this box checked here. This is really important. It should look like that. If you haven't got that checked, then it'll make it wider or longer, and you'll end up with it all disproportionate. It won't be in the right proportions. So make sure always, whichever way you do it, that you have that box checked. So that's that. We've now got it at 12 inches by 10.67, which is fine for what I want. And then you just go to File, Print, as you would ordinarily, and it will tell you that it's going to print it on 4 pages, which is fine. Print that, and when it comes off, you'll see that you have to chop bits off and glue them together, but you will end up with a perfect enlarged picture. So my printer's just printing that now, and we can have a look then and see exactly what it looks like. It's quite a clever little trick, isn't it, really, for those of us that haven't got any of the other apps for resizing it. Let me make myself bigger. There we are. As if you needed to see a larger image of me. This is the fuchsia that I've also enlarged. This is this week's little 6x6 canvas that we're doing. Tutorial, and I've enlarged it because I also want to do it on a 12x12, so I can have a whole set of 12x12 pictures for myself. So let's have a look and see what's coming off the printer. There should be 4 sheets. It said there would be 4 sheets, so there should be. There's this one, and this one. So you can see you need to cut a bit off one of them and stick the other one over it. And then we've got 2 small bits at the bottom that you need to cut out and stick on as well. So there you go. That is that. It's not difficult. Honestly, if I can do it, anybody can do it. And I'm proud to say I did this all on my own the first time without Mr. Handyman. So there you go. It's got to be easy. And I'll see you all this week when we will be doing the fuchsia. Okay, bye.